Okay, this video is going to be a demonstration on how to set up a timer program in RSLogix 500. I'm going to bypass a lot of the discussion that I've had previously as far as setting up RSLinks with the emulator. I've already created my program file here, selecting the processor, and I've set up my I/O configuration. So you can basically start from the initial configuration. All of the other discussions, previous videos, you should refer to if you're having issues getting to this point. But you should be able to start each lab this way. Once again, I'm going to insert a rung, and I'm going to make a simple program where I have an examine on bit. In this case, it's going to be input 1/0, and it's input 1. Has that name because I've used that previously in another program. And I'm going to select the timer tab here, and because I want an on timer. And once again, I can drop this where it's green. I'm going to use timer T4:0, and I'm going to say this is timer 1, and I'm going to make this a 10-second timer, so I'm going to use a time base of 1, and because it's got to be 10 seconds, I'm going to set it for a preset of 10. That'll give me 10 seconds, and so that's my timer setup. Now, that wouldn't do us much good because I'm not actually doing anything with the timer, so I need to insert another rung, and I'm going to go back to using an examine on, but in this case I'm going to use an element from T4:0. So that's the word description. I have to give it a bit description. And what I want to do is I want to use the done bit. So I want to add a \dn, and that will be the done bit. So this bit will be energized, this bit will be closed, will be on whenever this timer's timed out. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to say this is timer 1 done bit. Timer 1 done, and I'm going to have this energize, let's say output 2/5, for example. So this is output 5. Okay, output 5. So the way this should work then is if I hold down or have this input on for more than 10 seconds, the output 2/5 will turn on. As always, I need to verify my project, so I go up here to edit and verify project, and it says that verify is completed, no errors. So I'm going to go here to comms download. It says it's rev note, do I want to proceed with download, all of this stuff, yes, 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 yes. And I'm in remote program, so I want to go to run mode, and now I'm online with my virtual processor, as you can see, and I'm in run mode. So I'm going to toggle this bit here, and I'm going to watch what happens. As you can see, the bit's on, and the accumulated value of the timer is incrementing. When I get to 10, this bit will turn on, and it does, and it turns our output 5 on. Okay, so pretty simple. I'm going to reset the timer by toggling the bit off. When I do that, instantaneously the output turns off because the done bit turns off. And I'll go through the example one more time. Toggle the bit on. See, our accumulated value is going up. When we get to 10, this bit will turn on and the output will turn on. And there we go. There we have it. So that's a simple timer example. There's many possible permutations. There's other examples in the lab. This concludes this video.